Natural goodness is like water. It nourishes everything. Water follows the natural path of gravity and even flows to lower places that some people might reject. In a similar manner, without thoughts of competition, evolved ones live humbly and with simplicity. Their thoughts and meditations are without self-centered ambition. Their actions express kindness and generosity. Their presence is sincere, and they work in a competent manner at a moderate pace. By doing so, evolved ones do not create the energy of conflict or resentment. Becoming like water, one can gently flow around obstacles that are created by over-ambitious thoughts. When filled to the brim, a cup can spill. When over-sharpening a knife, it can become dull. Evolved ones notice when something has come to its natural completion. They observe how, when things are overgrown in nature, they eventually decline. And after every autumn harvest, there is a winter without crops. In the same manner, overworking and overspending can overlook the need for balance. Moderation in possessions and activities can create a greater sense of peace. Lao Tzu points out how pride in one's wealth or position is overlooking possible collapse and can bring their ruin. Thus, evolved ones complete what is needed and then retire when the work is done. They realize that trying to hold on to a cycle that has peaked is overlooking the balance to that cycle and the need for rest.